The knowledge in sociology is very much useful to society. It could be used in different ways. Now we'll see the uses of sociology in social life. Sociology helps in solving social problems. Social research brings out underlying causes for social events. Social knowledge influences evolving public policies usefully. Government policies and programs based on social research will yield good results. Knowledge in interpersonal relationship helps in the treatment of mental health. Public relational activities could be improved by gaining sociological knowledge. Sociology makes individuals understand social and cultural relationships better. Hence, it benefits both individual and society. Sociology encourages full understanding of social situations. Sociology helps people in evaluating social problems, views it scientifically and unbiased to sort out a solution. Sociology studies cultures in their diversity and understands its influence on human behavior. Sociology aids in collecting information systematically and frame social welfare programs and ways to implement them successfully. Sociology provides ways to assess consequences of social events. Sociology is useful in developing skills in interpersonal relationships. Sometimes people develop ideas by superficial knowledge and experience without questioning the actual event of it. On the face value, it looks sensible. When we make an examination, it may not be true. And this kind of superficial experience and generalization is called common sense knowledge. But in the case of sociology, people think that they know everything about social events, but it is not so. Sociology derives everything, every conclusion, every generalization on the basis of systematic information. And this is the difference between sociology, sociological knowledge, and common sense understanding. Sociologists are expected not to be influenced by their own feelings and their own likings of a particular event or a group or incident when they make a study of social problems. They are expected to keep themselves away from the situation and view the situation only as a researcher without getting any bias. For instance, a female researcher going to the field to study the issues of women might be influenced by her own feelings because she is also a woman. In this case, this girl is expected to be unbiased, that is, she should not be influenced by her own feelings and attachment to her own gender. She must keep herself away from the actual situation and view the situation only as a researcher. The career opportunities for sociologists are plenty, both in government and non-government organizations. Not only for the sake of career, but sociological knowledge helps a person develop his personality perfectly and helps him to be a good citizen of the society.